Deanna Nwosu is a connector at heart. With over 20 years of hospitality and event experience, she's learned how to relate to individuals across various demographics.
Coche, 5, money dinero, mobile phone, mobile. I have heard cellular, that is also.
Deanna has been on stages for as long as she can remember and is comfortable presenting to audiences of any size.
I want you to shout out the first word or phrase that comes to mind. Okay, ready? Everyone got their first cup of coffee now? All right, first one, Nike. Just do it. Wow. Anything else? Swoosh. Michael Jordan. I'm from Akron, so my first would be the Rock.
A brief stint in online teaching prepared her for virtual presentations and workshops years before the pandemic.
And again, feel free to unmute, feel free to talk at me. I'm happy to hear that, or you can drop it in the chat. Having something to lose, vision. Employees clock in and out. Entrepreneurs have to hustle to find business. Employees do what they're told.
It's key that event MCs or facilitators can think on their feet and quickly adjust to any issues. As an event planner, Deanna has years of practice putting out fires during events, giving her a calm under pressure few can match.
Tip number 5. Oh, I know we were supposed to do 5 tips, but we got a bonus. It's the holidays. I'm feeling generous.
Deanna would be happy to build a custom program for your needs. So feel free to visit deannacamille.com or reach out via email today.